Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an update about COTP, what I have found during my research. Even though people are saying COTP will resume back to work 17 to 21 days. Yes, exactly, there is so many things that I found which indicate that COTP is still working on that. What I will share with you in this video, I'm not saying is Junun or you will regard you consider it as a proof of them for coming back. No, I'm just sharing you what I found. Okay, so this thing is based on networking. Okay, if you understand how networks is working, so you really understand what I want to share with you. If this is your first time for visiting this channel, make sure you subscribe for me because I've been sharing a content will what protect you for falling into ponzi scheme scam site and other things. Okay, so consider subscribing if you like any of my video. Okay, there is a lot of information that I share. Where I share a lot of reviews and other things. So like this. Okay, when you look, if you look at this video that I have released recently about COTP, what causing the COTP's update to take long. If you want to share, you can share. So today I comes with a new video where you can see what I found. Okay, but before going anything, let me just start by pinging their site through this because I need something. I want to have their IP address from here. Okay, so let me ping their site through these tools. Okay, let me write ping and ping space cotps.com. Okay, so I want to have their IP address. Look at it. So this is what I need. Okay, I need this IP address to do my work. Okay, this IP address. So let me just copy this IP address. Okay, let me copy it because this is what I want. Let me copy it. Okay, yes, this is it. I copy the IP address, then go back to my tool. Okay, remember, if you don't want to watch this video, make sure you watch it very well. Okay, because we are going to talk about what startup authority, that is SOA. Okay, if there is any update on it. Okay, this SOA, this one, this video SOA. Okay, I'm talking about it. So let's see if they updated anything. Okay, I come back here and put cotps.com. This is one of my tool. Okay, let me just click on it. You see, so look at it. Look at the IP address that I've copied. Okay, 170.33.96.21.7. Let's go back to my tool and see if it is correct. You see, 170.33.96.21.7. Look at it, .21.7. Look at it. You see, the IP address are correct. Okay, so that means we are on a right track. So let's start with it. Okay, see this. You see this host that we are talking is their what IP address. This in means this in you are seeing. This in means internet. Look at this time to live TTL. Okay, look at it. 594. Okay. So look at their IP address, the IP address from there. This is their what? Domain name service. Okay, DNS. So look at this MX record. Okay, MS record. Look at it. Look at time to live. Look at this thing. Okay, they are sharing the same number. That means everything is working correctly. Look at NS. Okay, look at their host NS and everything. You see it? This part. Look at it. Time to live. Look at it, 1499. Look at the host address here. Look at this. Look at NS record. SOA, Start of Authority. You see this SOA I'm talking about, Start of Authority. This video, you need to go there and watch what's the meaning of this Start of Authority. I will leave the link in the description so that you guys can understand what I mean. Okay, so this is it. Start of authority is the most important one. Okay, it's now updated. Everything is working. Look at it. Time to live is 594. That means everything is working from here. Look at it. TXT. Look at it. The host again. Class, internet, time to live, IP address. Okay, so this is it. This is the first thing that I want to show you. So let's go back to what do you call it, the domain name location. Let's check their location and see something. Okay, cotps.com. Let me share, get the location. Okay, and I want to show you that there are so many people that knows about COTP. They know where COTP is. Okay, they know who are they and they know where they are. Okay, cotps.com. We are now going to track their location. Okay, Okay, look at their location. Look at it. Okay, look at their location. Host name. Look at the host name. Okay, sorry. Let me type it correctly. cotps.com. You see, remember, it's cotps.com. Okay, so I'm going to check their location. You see, yes, look at it. Check this host address. That means you are checking the site with this IP address, host name and IP address. Okay, the host is sharing IP address and the IP address is sharing working with host. Okay, let's go there and check if the IP address with the host is correct. Look at the IP address. Okay, look at this IP address and go there and check. You see, let's read it together. Okay, guys. Okay, let us read it together. Okay. You see 170.33.96.217. So let's go back. 170, you see on my tool is 170.33.96.217. So it's correct. That means we are checking the right side. So what are their location? Where are they residing? You see, they are residing in Asia. This is where the location of COTP is, okay? The server and everything. Asia, look at their country code. AS is called AS. Where Asia is located. You see, they are in Singapore, okay? Their country code is SD, that is Singapore. AS is what? Asian country, it means Asia. Okay, so let's check their flag. Look at their flag, okay? Look at their flag. Look at their country capital, country code, look at it. And again, you have country neighborhood. Look at their region, southeast. The country neighbor city is Singapore. So this number, longitude and latitude, if you know how to track location with this number, you can try it. Okay, look at the ASN number. So with this kind of information, they can't run away. Okay, they can't run away. Look at the organization they have posted. Everything is Alibaba.com, Singapore e-commerce private limited. This is a host organization there. So all these Alibaba, they know who COTP is. Okay, so look at their ISP, internet service provider, is Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com, Singapore e-commerce private limited. You see, these two things can allow us to track where COTP are. Okay, look at their time zone, Asian / Singapore. Okay, / time zone. Look at it. You see, +08. Okay, time zone GMT offset 28880. Okay, time zone. Look at their currency. Okay, Singapore dollar. They are using Singapore dollar. Okay, so what are the rate now? Look at the rate. You see, 1.407 is equivalent to $1. Okay, $1 USD. Okay, so this is it. So let me check another this in NS lookup. So this is where I will use the IP address. Let me copy the IP address and see if it is the right IP I'm using. So I now copy it from my tool and go there and check. Okay, let me paste it here. Okay, I remove the semicolon. Let me look for it. So look at it. You see, they give me the same information with the information that I have used right now. Okay, so all these kind indicate that information COTP has already finished everything, since their domain name DNS is well organized now, cotp.com. So I don't know why they are not coming back, why they are not updating their site. Okay, look at it. Everything is okay, everything is correct. You see, host TNX, everything is now intact. So I don't know if maybe they are updating. So let me check and track what is going on there. Okay, so this is another report. Okay, when you come back to this in cotps.com through DNS inspect, okay, let's see what we get when we run the report. Let's see what we will have. Okay, let's check and see. Okay, wait for it to complete. It is now patching the information on it. So you see this part, this is very important. Okay, for any site to run successfully, it has to pass through this thing. Okay, okay, not 100% all of them. Okay, some of them has to be what, 94, 95, 60 to 100, but the most important one must be 100. So let's scroll down and read and see what is happening. Missing glue, look at this. Name server have a record. Look at it. You see, we have passed this one. This one is correct. This one is correct. Look at it. The server and everything is good. Look at their server and the server that is what, responding to our ping. Okay, so let's go there. Name server have a record. Wherever you see this good, it means it's okay. There is no issue with it. Okay, to reach, look at it. Okay, pound a record for all name server. Look at it. A is big. This thing has to be converted. Okay, if you know networks, you know how to convert. To reach your name server via IP version 6, an a record is needed for each name server. So this thing is fast. NS record, there is an issue. Whenever you see semicolon, there is an issue with it. Your name server return to NS record. So there is an issue. Maybe they need to increase or something. Time to live is 3600. You see, no glue. Look at it. No glue 6 and everything. Okay, but all name server responded. So you see, all the COTP server has responded. So this is the most important one because their server are responded. You see, if you can remember, few days back they stopped responding to our ping, but now all their server are responding. Okay, you see this in all your name. You can read this part. Okay, read it. Let's read it together. Okay, all your name server responded. We query domains record from all of your name servers, and we receive them successfully. You see, from COTP, we receive them successfully. This is it. Then glue check. What is this glue check? It is very important. No difference found. You see, no differences found. The glue provided by the parent name servers has to match the data provided by the authoritative name. Look at it. This is very important. There is no difference. Okay, so let's scroll back to allow recursive queries. Okay, what are recursive query? Okay, domain name server are not allowing recursive query. On all name servers which act as a caching name servers, recursive query should be restricted to local network. Having often DNS servers can lead to abuses such as cache poisoning and DOS, denial of services attack. Cache poisoning attack allows under a certain condition to redirect legitimate web traffic, email, and other traffic to malicious host, compromising security. You see, everything is okay. If there is an issue with this, you need to stay away. Okay. Then let's move to a check name server count. This part, okay? I read what is it. You see, it's okay. Wherever is good, you see the okay first. Domain has 2 name server. You see, COTP has 2 name server. Recommended number between 2 to 7, and this 2 to 7 is recommended. Okay, the recommended one is 2. Name servers is RFC 2182. Recommended to have at least 3 authoritative name servers for domain. You see, this one is good. Then identical NS record. Identical NS record is okay. Let's read and see. Okay. All your name server reported identical NS record. Each name server should return identical NS record. You see, this one is good. Okay. And again, let's check for what? Check for name servers. This one is okay. Read it and okay. No name servers found. All of your name servers are configured to be either master or slave for your domain. Okay. It's good. Check all IPs as public. This one is good. They are okay. Okay, no private IP address found. It means that there is no hidden IP address. You will not be redirected. If there is any redirection, that means our money will be redirected to another this. So this thing has to be what? Okay, for any site. Okay, I'll show you how to use this tool very well. Okay, no private IP found. No name servers using private IP address can't be reached from the internet, causing DNS delay. Okay, so everything is intact now. So let's check. Let's scroll up again. Name server have a record. You see, their server have a record. Anything that has a record means that their record is there kept on somewhere, so they can't run away. Okay, found a record for each name server. Look at their record. They have record on here because we have 2 server. They have this first server and they have this one. Okay, there is a server that when you ping, you can get a response from one of these server. Okay, you can get a response from one of these. Okay, if you ping, this is it. So this thing is okay. Okay, so let's go to name server have AA record. You see, this one is good. It's good. You can read. And name server has a valid name. You see, it's good. It has a valid name. You can read. Check for steals. Name server is good. No steals name server found. All name server returned by domain name servers should be listed at a parent server is good. Check for missing name server. They check there is no issue with that. Then no CNAME in NS record. You read and you understand. Maybe in my next video I will break down everything so that you guys can understand what it means exactly. Look at it and look at this one is good. Look at this one. Look at this one. But there is one most important things I want to show you. Okay, you see this thing that is saying unknown, even though it's okay. So let's read and see. You see, they say name server software version are not exposed. So this is very good. It has not to be exposed, because if they have been exposed, there is an issue with it. Exposing name servers version may be risky. That's why it is unknown. Okay, that's why it is unknown. So if you see anything unknown on any side, it means that there is a security behind it. Okay, because if you expose this version of the server, you will be what? Vulnerable. Okay, there is a lot of vulnerabilities in exposing any kind of this thing. What will happen in case if you expose this thing? Exposing name server's version may be risky. When a new vulnerability is found, your name server may be automatically exploited by script kiddie until you patch the system. You see, that's why they keep it unknown. This is professional, guys. It's professional. So this is another record. You see SOA, that is start of authority. Start of authority. Don't call a lawyer, please. Do not call a lawyer. This is what we call start of authority. Is very important fact. Look at their time to live, 600. Okay, expired is 600 and 4,800. Look at it. Retry. Look at it. Refresh time and everything. Look at it. You can go through this thing. This is start of authority. Okay, I make a video on my on that part. You can go there and watch. Okay, name server agreement on serial number is good. Look at their agreement and serial number. Okay, I will not look at it. Everything is almost done. Everything is almost done. You see, good. Everything is okay. You see, everything is almost done. So guys, I don't know why. Okay, even though there is no any update from their side. Look at it, but everything based on this information, based on my knowledge for what this inspecting any site, I see there is no issue with this site for now. Okay, there is no issue with it. Look at it. Every record is good. No any kind. I found no any mistake. You see the IP address. Look at it. The IP address that I've shown you. Look at once someone will look at it. Okay. Let me close this in and see and compare it. Look at the IP address. Look at it. This IP address. You see the domain COTP resolved to. Look at it. You see resolved domain name COTP. This is what I'm talking about. This let me use the arrow. You see the domain name. Look at the IP address. Okay. The IP address and domain name 170.33.96.200. Guys, if the site is not good, they will not give you this thing. Okay, they will. I see nothing found with this site, but the issue is that when are they reconnecting? Everything is intact, but I don't know what is happening. Okay, there is no any red flags, no anything. Okay, based on the inspection. So guys, this is the end of this video, but before I end this video, let me try and this in cotps.com cotps.com and ping. Okay, let's see if there is anything. So you see still their SS is not working. Okay, their SS, when we click on this, let me click on this and see what is happening. You see, look at it, look at the error we are getting. They need to what first they need to rectify this error first. Okay, before, if this thing cannot be rectified, there is no anything. Because why? If in any site that you see this kind of notification, be careful. Okay, connection is not secured. Okay, that means SSL layer is not updated or is not inside. Okay, you should not enter any sensitive information on this site, for example password or credit card, because it could be stolen by attackers. So any site that you see this kind of semicolon, you have to you need to be very careful. But this is the update that I want to share with you. Everything now is intact. I see no any kind of issue. What I've been waiting, you and me, we have been waiting for them to reconnect. Okay guys, you see this IP address is the same with the IP address I'm talking about. You see I'm still running a check. You see it, you see the IP address. So this is it, guys. I don't know if you can understand me. Okay, so this is the end of this video. If you like any review on any site, I will be posting a review on a site so that you guys will not be fall into a ponzy scheme. There is a lot of site. I have been seeing people investing their money, so we need to be very careful. Any site, any platform that is ponzy, you see in this channel you will find a usable information. I share an update about cryptocurrencies, ponzi scheme, good investment site, okay, which are not ponzi, NFTs, and decentralized system, decentralized blockchain, centralized and other things. Okay, all anything related to cryptocurrency, you can get it from here. So guys, we need to be very careful. Let's just wait and see. Okay, we don't have to be spreading a rumor that COTP and now is working. No, they are not working seriously. But people are saying they have they came back. No, they did not come back. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.